Causes of hearing loss in children. There's two different ways you could get hearing loss, either congenital or acquired. So we'll start off with a congenital cause. It's a hearing loss which is presented at birth. It can include hereditary hearing loss or hearing loss due to other factors presented either in utero or at the time of birth. Some genetic factors would be having genes that are either dominant or recessive with hearing loss. Other congenital factors could be infections like rubella, herpes, complications associated with Rh factors in the blood. Let's see, lack of oxygen. And then on the acquired cause, a hearing loss which appears after birth, at any time in one's life, perhaps as a result of a disease, condition, or even an injury. Some examples of those would be an ear infection, like otitis media, an inflammation in the middle ear that is usually associated with the buildup of fluid. The fluid may or may not be infected. Ototoxic drugs, measles, chickenpox, influenza, a head injury, even loud noise exposure.